In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Big Cartel online store in mobile view. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned online store owner, ensuring your site looks great on smartphones is crucial. Mobile shopping has become a huge trend, and the last thing you want is for potential customers to be discouraged by a site that's not mobile friendly. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the page. You'll notice a menu bar, and you'll want to click on the word Account. Keep in mind that this area is the hub for managing various aspects of your store, from personal information to design options. So it's a great habit to be familiar and comfortable with this section. Once you're in the account settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you see an option labeled Shop Design. This section controls the aesthetic and functional aspects of your online store. Design is not just about beauty. It's also about how intuitive your site feels for your customers as they navigate through your offerings. Next, you're going to want to click on the button that says Go to Shop Designer. This is an exciting place because it lets you see real-time changes as you adjust your site's design elements. You can think of it as your storefront, allowing you to experiment and see which layouts and color schemes will most effectively showcase your products. As you're experimenting with your design, you'll see at the top right corner a drop-down button. Go ahead and click on this drop-down button and you'll find different viewing options available for you. To evaluate how your online store appears on a smartphone, select the phone option. This handy feature will transform your view into a mock-up of what visitors will see when they access your site through their phones. This mode is invaluable because it mimics the mobile user experience, allowing you to identify any design issues or areas for improvement. Now, take a moment to browse around your site in this mobile view. Check for ease of navigation, readability, and how your images and content are displayed. A seamless mobile experience can significantly enhance user engagement, potentially leading to more sales. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your Big Cartel shop looks just as professional and inviting on a mobile phone as it does on a desktop computer. Keep this process in mind as you continue to develop your store, and don't hesitate to explore new designs and layouts that align with your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and